In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Slack. We'll walk through two straightforward methods you can use on the desktop app or in your browser, and I'll also show you how to switch workspaces without signing out. Follow along in your own Slack window, and don't worry if your interface looks slightly different. Slack updates its layout from time to time, but the options and wording are consistent. Let's start with the first method. Begin by opening Slack and making sure you're in the workspace you want to sign out of. Look to the top left area of Slack where your workspace name and menus live. Open the main menu and find the Administration option. Select Administration, then choose Workspace Settings. This will open your workspace settings in your browser if you're using the desktop app, or in a new tab if you're already in the browser. Once the settings page loads, look for the Account section. This is where Slack groups personal access and sign-in details. Open Account to see options that relate specifically to you, not to everyone in the workspace. Here, you should see a control labeled Sign Out of this workspace. Click that option. Slack will typically ask you to confirm the action, both to prevent accidental sign-outs and to make sure you're not in the middle of something important. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Sign Out to finish. After this, Slack will close your active session for that workspace. If you have other Slack workspaces logged in, those remain untouched. This action only signs you out of the workspace you selected. Now for the second method, which is a bit quicker. If you find yourself on a Slack sign-out page and want to return to your workspace before logging out, click Back to Slack to go back to the app interface. From there, open your account or profile menu, again in the top left area near your workspace name. In many layouts, this is the same spot where you see your workspace's icon or your profile picture. Look for the option that says Sign Out of this workspace and click it. As before, confirm if you're prompted. This method skips the trip through administration and workspace settings, taking you straight to a sign out option connected to your current workspace session. If your goal isn't to sign out but to move to a different workspace, there's a handy way to do that without ending your session. In the top left, click the small icon or photo next to your workspace name. That opens the Workspace Switcher, a panel designed to help you move between workspaces or manage related items. Inside this menu, you may notice a Cookies link, which takes you to details about Slack's cookie usage if you need that information for compliance or personal preference. You'll also see New Workspace. Click New Workspace if you want to create a fresh workspace or join an existing one using an invitation. This is useful if you regularly collaborate with multiple teams and don't want to repeatedly sign in and out. To recap, the first method routes you through administration and workspace settings, then account, then sign out, and finally confirms with sign out. The second method keeps you inside Slack. Back to the app, open your account menu, choose Sign Out of this workspace, and confirm. And if you're just switching workspaces, use the icon next to the workspace name, review cookies if needed, or pick New Workspace to add another space to your sidebar without signing out. That's it. You're all set to manage your Slack sessions smoothly.